Okay, so we're going to do a steel structural system here. What I already have is 4 sets of concrete columns, beams, and a slab, and I'm going to model 4 steel I-section columns, and then 4 I-section beams, and then some secondary beams, and then a decking sheet. And we're later going to look at how the structural joinery is done. So I'm going to go to, and my elevation looks like here. So I'm going to make steel stand from level 2 to level 3, and our steel roof is going to come at level 3. So going to structural plan level 2. If your structural plans are not visible, please go to view, plan view, structural plan, and whatever is not visible will be visible here. Select and click OK. I have everything visible here, and that's why this is blank. Okay, going to level 2, shortcut is CL. And I have an old rectangular column RCC loaded here, but I'm going to go to edit type and load. I'm going to go back, and I'm not going to go, if you go back, there are a couple of, you'll have a UC loaded here, which is a universal column, but I'm going to go for B column. And why? Because this comes under the Indian library, and we're going to use an Indian library here because we have the ISMB, which is the Indian standard medium beam, as columns here. So load, you're going to go back. If you remember, we were working on the UK library for everything, but here we're going to go back. It's on, go to the folder India. It's already uploaded on the classroom, by the way. Download India and go to structural columns, steel, India specific in B column. Okay, I have already loaded an ISMB 500, but you can select 500 and then click OK. Okay, and it's already loaded for me here. Great, click OK. Make sure that depth, instead of depth, height is selected, and you're going to go up to level 3. So you're making on level 2 but going up to level 3. This basics of how you model a column. I will make something here and make it at the intersection of a grid at the center. Then I'll click RO and I'll rotate it 90 degree. And I'll do the same. I'll copy this on all the 4 locations. So CO, and I'll make maybe like a column reference, just like in CAD. And I'll make all the 4 columns. If it stops after one, do it once again. Remember that after CO, click on multiple so you can have multiple copies. So again, I pick up, I put it here, and I put it here. So if you look at this, we have 4 ISMB structural columns. Now we're going to model the beams.